Hello everybody, Radhey. Welcome back to another new sessions. Today is the 18-day challenges for read English practice with Radhey Talks. Without waste your time, let's start today's sessions. Just before start video, I just like to say two lines motivation. That's motivations helpful to our daily lives or enhance your lives, and you will be very connected, very active with yourself. That's very possible. Okay, the motivations lines: smiling has the powers to make everyone feel better. Just like you click one picture, click your one photos, the smiling face, this photo is so beautiful, or watching the people's. Similarly, you are be smiling face every day, your life is better. For example, another's Lord Krishna's. You see of Lord Krishna, all the entire features of the life, see Krishna's, the smiling face. Why? Because the smiling is the indicator, Sri Krishna indicator, the supreme of the Lord is the indicator to all the society. You also smiles and you the better feelings. Smile is a make confidence. Smile is a create strength, or smiling is a better way to your hard work less you the converted. Why not you smiles you the daily life? See? One click your pictures on a smiling face. The pictures are so beautiful. But why not you the smiling in the daily lives? Okay, you smiling. The smile is a very big thing you deals. Okay, let's start. I have the same book. The book name is The Psychology of the Money. So very wonderful book. I start. Okay. No one should expect them to respond to financial information of the same way. No one should assume they are influenced by this same incentive. No one should expect them to treat the same resource of advice. No one should expect them to grade on the what matters and what worth is, what likely to happen next, and what the best path of the forward is. Their view of the money was formed in the different words, and when that is the case, a view about the money that is one group of the people think about the outer sources can make a perfect sense to the another profit. A few years ago, the New York Times did you a story that working the conditions of the Foxconns, the massive of Tainswiss electronics manufacturers, the condition of the oftens, the atrocity. The readers were rightly upset, but the fascinating of response to the story came to be the nephew of a Chinese worker who have the worst of the comment of the sections. My just like to be okay. My aunt worked the several years in the what the Americans call the sweet shops. It was hard work, long hours, and small wage and poor working conditions. So do you know what my auntie did before she worked in the one this other factory? She was the prostitute. Okay, she has the prostitute. Okay, I have a cover of the today's sessions. You just like practice your daily basis with your smiling. That's very helpful to your lives. Okay, but you also don't be waste your time. Your time is spent yourself own self. You create a short content writers, and and you will send a mail to other unknown persons. Then after you the activeness created very helpful to your lives. Thank you so much and keep study. Okay, let's call it a day. Bye bye. Jai Jagannath. Radhe Radhe.